Hey Jamers and scammers, Girly with Pro 22 here. So I feel really horrible because I had my very first two fans, I guess, and I totally just blew them off. And I hope they eventually see this video because I wanted to apologize for my rudeness because I was like, oh really? What's my YouTube user and stuff? And I feel so horrible. And don't mind my friend, I'm just talking to her. I just wanted to make this video. Hopefully they'll see it because I forgot their usernames. But hopefully they see this video, and I apologize for being so rude and stuff. I'm just having I'm having a really bad day today, and I'm just a little sick. And I was totally rude to you two. And I should have known better than to be rude. Normally I'm more of a chill, relaxed type. But yeah, I just wanted to apologize to you guys. If I'm ever rude, that awkward moment that's like all right there. Hold on, it won't let me fix it. But if I'm ever rude or anything, I apologize. Today I was just at the dentist getting my cavities filled in. 575, and I have everything. But as I was saying, I was at the dentist today, got my cavities filled in, and it really hurt. And I had to wake up really early. And I'm sick, which when they numb my mouth, it really, really hurt my throat. And I'm just not really having the greatest of all days. I've been sleepy. I felt like I was going to throw up. Honestly, I didn't feel good whatsoever, but now I'm starting to. But yeah, haven't been feeling well whatsoever today. After the dentist, I wasn't feeling too good either. But other than that, if you two jammers see this, I apologize for being really, really rude. And, wow, okay. And, if you guys want an autograph, I will definitely give you an autograph. Normally, I'm a really chilling, calm person, but today it just wasn't really my day, and I hope you guys see this video. Oh, I'm getting really sick. Please jag me. My jags are unlocked for everyone. If you guys want an auto or something, just jag me and I'll jag you back, giving you an autograph. But yeah, so yeah, that's all I wanted to say, Jammers. Hopefully you guys understand that today just wasn't my day. I was in a lot of pain. I'm still, gosh dang it, that actually hurt. Wow. Wow, okay. Wow, that hurt. That really, really hurt. I don't even know why it's hurting. I can't even really bite too. Gee. But yeah, that's me going all crazy right now. I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's just all I wanted to say. Hopefully you guys will see this. There were two fox. One was, I know one was wearing an elf tail. One of those dark diamond, dark gray with the red. Wow, okay. That kind of color. And I think you were wearing a mech. I'm not pretty sure. I can't really remember. So yeah. hopefully you guys see this video. Comment down below if you want to. That'd be great. Send me your users and I'll send you autographs as much as I can. And that's about it. Yes, I got to 1, 2, 3, 4. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, yes. Oh, and another thing before I go. My den will always be unlocked for you guys, and I should, oops, leave this unlocked for everyone too. Hold on, I'm gonna unlock it now. Hello, my fellow Earthlings. There we go. What? What? I thought I changed that to blue. Delete that. That's unacceptable. Let's do moons, because I'm awesome that way. Just kidding. No, I don't want moons. Too bad they don't allow you to create your own, like... Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm stupid. I forgot there was like a scroll button right here. Let's do that one. No. That one? I actually kind of like that one. But it doesn't really match the background. Let's do this drapes. That's good enough. Hello, fellow Earthlings. Okay, that works. Air. Oh, thank you, friend. Thank you, I already have one. Okay, so my jugs will be on. I don't have a dream item anymore. Wow. Well, that's all for today, dreamers. Hopefully you guys see my new YouTube video. Let's go to my channel. It's this one right here. Testing for scammers. And this is my other second new video, 3 days ago. Oh, 90 minutes. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Hopefully those no. Oh my gosh. I sound like a monster when I won't like no. Ow. 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 But I did. Oh. So when I went to the dentist today, it was so horrible. They tried to numb my mouth the first time and it didn't work. So they had to numb my mouth the second time. So they had to put they stuck a needle in my gum. And it hurt so much. They stuck it in like, I don't know, 100 times. It hurt so much. Okay, I'll just drag her him or whatever. But yeah, anyways, not having met my dentist, talking about January's who I was totally rude to, and I feel really horrible just thinking about it. So yeah, and I know in my other video I said I wasn't gonna talk, but right now my friend and my sister are in my sister's room, or just chilling in there, so I have enough time to talk. And man, this video is long for just one talk. Yeah, but that's all, James. Okay. But yeah, hopefully you guys get this, that if I'm rude, I apologize. It either might be a bad day, or I'm just like not in the mood, or I'm just on my monthly day thing, you know. But yeah, that's basically it. Or if I get yelled at from my father, that's probably another reason. But yeah, that's basically it. So like I said, my Jags will be on, and my den will be unlocked for you guys. And if you ever want to, you guys can come in here, look at some of my art. Mainly, they're all mine. See mine. It says Girly Wolf Girl. That one says the masterpiece is not approved. Mine. 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 I bet you guys get the point right now. All these are mine. And these up to here and here, they're not mine. But this one's mine. And these two are mine. Oh, before I end this video, I'll show you what I drew. I'm just waiting for it to be approved by Animal Jam, so I'll just show you the drawing that I drew. Hopefully you guys will like it. It's a Toothless wearing a Stitch hat. It's Stitch costume, not Stitch hat. My mistake. Oh, here it is. I mean, it's not that good, but the eye could use a little bit more work. But I just didn't feel like wasting my time even more with this, so yeah. I'll be giving it away if anyone wants it. Just comment down below your username and your rate, so I know if you're a non-member or a member. If you guys want me to, I could even do, oh my gosh, I could even make you guys some art if you would like me to. I'm willing to try. Just comment down below your user, send me a picture of your wolf, and I'll get busy. But yeah, that's all for today, Jammers. I will upload maybe next week, Monday, and maybe even Friday. No, not Friday. Maybe Thursday. Thursday works. Hopefully I'm home alone. Anyways, that's all for today, Jammers and Scammers. Have a good day, Gemma, and don't scam. Peace.